In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate an image here in InDesign. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can actually do this. The first way is by clicking onto your image, then we're going to come up to here to where it says Properties. Then under Transform, we're going to use these little rotation icons. Now this one rotates 90 degrees clockwise, and this one rotates 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Now, one thing to note as well, if you click on here, it might rotate like that. Now, obviously, we don't want this. So what we want to do is look right here where we see these squares. This one is on this left-hand square, but we want it in the center, because if we click on the center, then try and rotate, it's going to rotate a lot better. Now, that's one way that we can rotate images. Another way is coming over here to the left-hand side where we see this free transform tool. Now, if we right-click on there, we can then use the rotate tool, which will allow us to rotate however we want. So if we click onto the image now, we can then rotate like this, and as we can see that little transparent box with the degree of the rotation. So now if I stop, it's rotated just like that. So, as you can see, it's pretty easy to rotate images here in InDesign. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.